with paid traffic, people are nervous, okay? Because especially with low ticket offers. So let's say it pays $3 per lead. You'll spend $3, but you may not even get a conversion. But when you have something high ticket in the back end, let's say you get a paid $500 commission for some offer in the back end, maybe it's in the wealth niche on ClickBank, and you spend $500 and you get one sale on that $500 thing, you break even right there. Or maybe you get two sales, you're instantly profitable right there. But then in the front end, you've got tons of lead conversions. Does that make sense? So what we're doing is extremely powerful. I go more in depth on the funnels and the persuasion and how to set it up and everything. I even have a done for you service for this stuff. Guys, this is just so possible for anyone. If you think you can't do this, you're wrong. Like, I'm surprised I'm able to do this stuff. And it's not that hard. You just need to know what to do. And this is how you do it. I just told you. Dude, being a super affiliate just requires just the time upfront investment of learning. Then it requires some skill sets. Then it requires obviously implementation and then setting aside the time each day to maybe build a new campaign or just simply manage a campaign you already have. Now, I have quite a few campaigns and you'll reach that level too. It's not something hard to reach or hard to get. It's very simple. It just takes time to, like, most people on average are going to achieve their dreams. Sometimes it'll take longer than expected. Sometimes it'll be instant. Mine was not instant because I started young. I mean, you have a lot of learning curves to do when you're younger. They usually say the earlier you start, the better. Now, if you're older, who cares? You have more life experience and you're able to think more critically. You have your frontal lobe, or they call it like the frontal cortex. It's developed. It's your logical thinking brain. So you're capable of doing this. It's not that hard. You can do anything. I mean, look at this money. Okay, where is it? There it is. So, boom. Literally yesterday was $4,250. So anyone could do this. And that's just one income stream. I make like 7 grand to 10 grand, even more than that sometimes per day. It's crazy. I'm only 21 years old.